Are you a good listener? It's a very important aspect when we talk about communication. Being a good listener means focusing on persons who's speaking, not to interrupt or respond, but rather just to hear them out. Good listeners play a more passive speaking role in the conversation, but they actively engage with the other person using body language and follow up questions. They respect the persons who's speaking, even if they disagree with them, and react in the moment without expectation. At the end of interaction with a good listener, the speaker should feel respected and understood. This is the motive. So, are you a good listener? Check out the resource in this lecture and try to find out the characteristics of a good listener.